Welcome back. It's another day. Not sure if I have a word of the day, but working to put a little surprise together for my wife. So I had to handle some mechanical maintenance for her car today. I had to get the tires rotated and balanced, and also had to get a tire alignment. And the nice thing about the dealership is they offered to give me a loaner car for free, or $5, but you can't beat $5, right? So instead of waiting around, I actually got a chance to drive back home. Now, the thing that's going to be interesting is the wife doesn't really know what's going on. So I have the rental car parked in her spot, and I backed it in. And the first thing she's going to be thinking is, what's going on? Where's that car there, right? So I was hoping that she was going to be home because I had something else planned. But now I had to be a little bit more, got to come up with something. So I'm going to go inside and work to figure out, I guess, her first impressions. But in any case, figure I'm going to try something out, do something a little bit different today. So again, nice having a rental car, nice not being stuck somewhere. So if anything, it's equivalent of, let's say, having like a free pass in the case of a lockdown or something. So instead of having to actually wait at the dealership, I got a chance to drive around. And usually when I drive rental cars, I like driving nice rental cars. But the one thing I must say is that this was the fastest rental car experience I ever had. Usually I go to the to your Budget, your Alamo, and they just make you wait. And some things actually get faster, but there's a process. But fortunately, at the dealership, things were super fast. So I highly appreciate that. But I'll let you know how everything goes. Not really sure what's going to be going through her mind, but I know if I saw a car that I didn't recognize parked in my spot, I'd be like, what's going on? So I'll have to tune you in to let you know what happened. But wish me luck.